In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade gold on Robinhood. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device and then go into Robinhood like you usually would and sign into your account. Once you're in here, you'll need to go down to the search button down here and go up to search the name. From here, you'll need to write in GLD for gold. And you can also see here that SPDR Gold Trust, or you can also use any of these other ones that Robinhood offers. But these are probably the best one as suitable for you. From here, you'll be able to see this right here, and you can read about it. You can see the stats. But to buy it, you'll simply need to click buy. And from here, you can add how much you want to buy. Now from here, you can also click on the right-hand corner to buy order. And then you can also add it to a limit order or buy in quantity if you want to do that. From here, you can also add one time or one every day, every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. From here, you can just say, let's buy one and click review. And then you'll need to deposit some money into your account and purchase this trade offer. Once you have purchased it, you'll go into your account and you can see that down here on the stocks and ETFs, you'll see all of your existing positions that you have opened. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!